Jai Hind to all. Welcome to today's discussion. Let's break down why West Asia is critical for India, and especially now. What is the big game when this global economic uncertainty is rising, driven in parts by Trump's policies and geopolitical shifts? How is it going to influence India? And it's very important. The global economic chaos with Donald Trump making a political comeback, potential US policy shifts could create instability in oil markets, trade, and global supply chains. His America First policies, possible sanctions, and shifting alliances could disrupt global economic order, something that India must prepare for. So, why does West Asia matter so much to India? Energy security. India depends on West Asia for over 60% of its crude oil needs. Iraq 22% and Saudi 18% are India's biggest oil suppliers. So if Trump policy increases oil prices or affect US West Asia relations, India could face higher energy cost, and we are already seeing the inflation. It was sure that it's going to impact the inflation and economic stability. We have also seen the market going down of it. The second point is employment and remittances. Now, more than 8.9 million Indians work in West Asia, sending back 40 billion US dollars annually, which makes up over 55% of India's total remittances. Now, this money fuels India's economy, strengthens rural spending, and also supports millions of families. Any disruption in the region due to US foreign policy shifts or sanctions could threaten jobs and income for Indian workers. Number three, trade and economic ties. West Asia is a key trading partner, accounting for a sixth of India's total trade. India exports tea, basmati rice, electrical equipment, apparel, and machinery to the region. The Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement with UAE is also expected to boost bilateral trade beyond $100 billion. However, if Trump disrupts US China ties or Middle Eastern stability, India could also face supply chain shocks and rising trade costs. Now, what is the takeaway? The takeaway is why India must be proactive. With Trump's possible return and rising economic uncertainty, India must strengthen its independent ties with West Asia by diversifying energy sources to reduce oil price shocks, protecting India's